Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brandi here, and I'm back with another video. I'm using the Desi Katy Friendcation palette in collaboration with Dose of Colors, and it's like kind of like the sultry, jaded kind of fall look. I'm into it right now. Please don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe if you're new here, and let's get started. First, I'm going in with this shade. This is Cheens, and it's such a beautiful color. Like, it's such a deep, gorgeous like cappuccino, which is what Cheens is for Desi and Katy if you don't watch them. It's a gorgeous like cappuccino coffee brown. I love this shade so much. It's kind of a staple for this palette. So I'm just blending that in with an M506, and then I'm going in with the shade Necessary, and this is a necessary shade. Like, the way they name these shades, like, they're honestly the best names ever. So I'm just taking this on that M506 brush from Morphe. It's the same brush I put the other shade on with, and I'm pretty much just going halfway on the other shade and halfway on the area that had no shadow, going back and forth in little like circular motions, and then back and forth going from inner corner to outer corner. Then I switched over to a bigger brush. This is the M433, and this is the shade Basic. It's literally a basic shade, but it's so good at blending colors out, especially these browns. It's so basic, but it's so freaking good. Okay, and then this is how my blending always takes off. So I started with the other shade, I built it up, blended. Now I'm going back in with that Necessary shade, and I'm adding it back. Then I'm going in with Cheens, I'm adding some more, I'm going back in with Basic. You just keep going back and forth between the three shades until you get what you want, until you get that blend that you want. Sometimes you blend one shade away, so you've got to add some more back, and just keep going back and forth. So I'm going back in. As you can see, I'm going back in with Cheens, then I'm going back in with Basic, and I'm going back in. So it's kind of hard to explain. It's one of those things you just kind of have to do. Now I'm taking that shade Cheens, and I'm going just in the inner corner and outer corner. Oh my god, I'm going way too fast. Then I'm taking the shade Dirty Money, which is the gorgeous Dirty Money green gold color, and I'm using my finger. All of the shimmers in this palette work better with your finger. And I'm just packing that on in that center where there was no shade. And I went ahead and left my foundation routine in here. There's not really much to it. I'm just using Professional, the luminous one. No real rhyme or reason. It was just the primer that was setting there. Then I'm using Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade F3. And I'm putting that on everywhere. It makes my hair brighter with his little coos, because he's sitting right here next to me. But I'm just taking that and I'm putting it all over my face. And then I'm taking a Hank & Henry brush. I think this is the Nicole brush. It's his foundation brush. It's so good for doing foundation. I love it a lot. So I'm just buffing this in. I mean, there's not really it's too hard to explain like foundation routines. Not very good at it. This is the Catrice High Coverage Concealer, and it's in the shade Light Neutral. And I'm using the Hank & Henry brush to blend this out as well. I really love that Hank & Henry brush. It's honestly the only brush I've ever loved for blending out concealer. I'm always a beauty blender girl, but this brush blends everything out so seamlessly. It doesn't leave any streaks. I know I'm raving about it too much, but use code Braannxo to save you like 20% off if you want to pick it up, because it's so good. So I'm just blending that out, and then as soon as I'm done, just to give me that seamless little blend, I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and blend everything out. Then I'm going in with Huda Beauty Sugar Cookie Easy Bake Powder, and I'm using my beauty sponge to put this just under my eyes, and then my T-zone, so my forehead, around my nose, around my mouth, my chin, all that good jazz. Talking through face stuff is always so weird. So how are y'all? Make sure you guys comment. Please make sure you guys comment. This is the Milani Make It Last setting spray, and then this is the Milani Silky Bronzer in the shade 1. This is another Hank & Henry brush. I don't know what brush it is though. I have his whole set, so I got it in PR. And I'm just putting that where you need it. Then we're going back to the eyes. I'm going back in with Cheens and that M506. I'm going to meet it up to that outer corner and just blend it all in. And then I'm going in with Necessary on that M433, and then I'm going in with Basic, same brush, which I don't have a clip of that, I don't think. Yeah, I don't have a clip of that, but I go in with Basic and blend that. And then now I'm going in with Semi Sweet Milani Stay Put Liner, and I'm putting that all in my waterline. That's so satisfying, but so creepy at the same time. Like right now, I'm touching my eyeball. I'm touching my eyeball. You're watching me touch my eyeball. Okay, that's really creepy. All right. Okay, that was the longest clip ever. Now I'm going in with a Hank and Henry mascara on the top and bottom. And then we're going to go in with some lashes. So I use like the big side for my top lashes, the little side for my little lashes on the bottom. Yay, yay, yay. Oh my god, this is the longest clip ever. Now I'm going in with Milani's Luminoso blush. Golly. Not the best at editing, it looks like, because that clip was way too long. I have way too much free time on my hands here. Alright, I'm using an M405 brush from Morphe to blend that in. Perfect. Don't you just love my little faces? Oh, I was watching Jane the Virgin. I should have edited all of this out. I'm sorry, y'all. So I went back in with a little bit of the bronzer on that brush because I just love this brush a lot for bronzing. So I went back in and just kind of bronzed up a little bit of it. Oh, and on my eyebrows, by the way, if you're curious, I use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil because it's thebomb.com. Okay, that's how you do that. Bold face lashes, and these are the style Alter Egos. I used a Duo lash adhesive with vitamins. It's the green tube one. It's the best one, and you can pick it up like literally anywhere. Walgreens, Walmart, Target, Ulta. I even think Sephora has it. It's a good one. It's a good one. It's a good one. And then this is a little lash tweezer kind of applicator thing. I got it from the Lashy box, and I like it because it just pushes those lashes on there just perfect. I don't really like tweezers. I like this better, but sometimes I can't find it and tweezers work the same, but I do prefer it over the tweezers. Now I'm going in with this gorgeous shade. I'm not sure what that shade is called though. Oh, Just a Kiss. Just a Kiss. It's Just a Kiss in the palette. And I'm just going in with that just on my inner corner there. And then we're going to highlight. I used the Moon Tears from Wet n Wild loose highlighter. It was from the holiday collection last year, the Halloween collection. So it's no longer available, but I'm So Lit pretty much is the same one. So you could just purchase I'm So Lit and you would be good. This is Slay All Day in Coconut from GERARD Cosmetics. You can use my code and save 30%. Use code Braannxo. Alright, and now it's time for lips, you guys. I'm going to just use Nude AF from Jaclyn Hill, and I'm going to go ahead and shut up now and let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I love your faces. Thanks for hanging out with me. Please do not forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a comment. Let me know how you like the look, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!